CBS.
24 left at Echo, Skyway 3738.
Tower 3738, monitor tower, good day.
Monitor tower, Skyway 3738 today.
Skyway 3738, left on the point, waiting for one departure off the south side.
Left Hawaii, Skyway 3738.
Skyway 3738, 4010.17, Arnav Del Rey, AT4 left, clear for takeoff.
Arnav Del Rey, 24 left, clear for takeoff. Skyway 3738.
Contact SoCal departure, good day.
Have a good day, Skyway 3738. Departure, Skyway 3738, 1,400, climbing 5,000 on the dot.
Tower 3738, so got a departure to contact 10 left direct TV, maintain 250 knots.
Left to enter direct TV and maintain 250 knots, Skyway 3738.
Climb and maintain 7,000.
Climb maintain 7,000, Skyway 3738.
Tower 3738, traffic 1 and 5.5 miles on left hand turn northeast on heavy 787 climbing out of 7,800 customers north.
Inside, Skyway 3738. And 34
On behalf of the entire Delta family, thank you for letting us be a part of your journey. We'd like to extend a special welcome to our Sky Miles and Medallion members. We appreciate you continuing to trust us with your travel. Our priority on this flight is a safe, clean, and comfortable experience for you. For your safety, please stay seated with your seatbelt securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. Even if the sign is off, keep your seatbelt fastened in case we experience unexpected rough air. Please remember to use caution when opening the overhead bins, as items may have shifted during takeoff, and keep the aisle clear of any potential trip hazards like bags or bag straps. The lavatories are regularly refreshed, but if you notice an untidy lavatory, please let us know. Federal regulations require all passengers to comply with crew instructions and prohibit use of cellular networks during flight. Information on approved electronic devices can be found on the safety information card in your seat pocket. Wi-Fi is now available so that you can stay connected and enjoy free messaging. Connect to the deltawifi.com network to get started. And power outlets are available at your seat. In an effort to keep the cabin clean for this flight and future flights, we ask that you avoid placing items you wish to discard in the seat back pocket in front of you. Throughout the flight, we will be coming through the cabin to collect trash. We appreciate your cooperation. And we invite you to enjoy our complimentary service offerings. We're pleased to offer water, coffee, and tea, along with a snack, as well as beer and wine for our Delta Comfort Plus passengers. Please note that federal regulations prohibit consuming any alcohol you might have brought on board with you. If there's anything else we can do to make your flight more enjoyable, please don't hesitate to ask. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.